Hey guys, this is Dr. Joe Abels at Enable USA. I wanted to take the time to address an issue that we're all commonly facing right now is the unavailability or the discontinuation of Ecolizer C20. With that in mind, about 4 years ago, we were having continuous backorder problems trying to get Ecolizer C20. So what we did is we didn't change the formulation of Enable Fawn Boost Paste, but what we did do is add the components of Ecolizer C20 to our current existing antibody paste, as well as the pre and probiotics as well. So what I'm getting at is, if you're concerned about finding Ecolizer C20, this product is going to replace it. So if you're already using it, it's just one less thing you have to do on day one. If you're not using this product, it's simply dosed at a half a tube by mouth at about 12 to 18 hours of life for maximum immune response. Guys, if y'all have any further questions, look us up at enable-usa.com. Take care and God bless.